Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will continue our discussion with the Java Collections framework and talk about queue interface. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now, let us talk about queue interface. So you use a queue when elements are added and removed in a specific order. And typically it is first in, first out. But you can also specify the order. And queues are typically used for sorting elements prior to processing them. Alright. Now, let us look at the various queue implementations. So first we have our linked list. So in addition to being a list, it is also a double-ended queue. And a double-ended queue is different from a regular queue in that, we can insert and remove elements from both front and back of a queue. And next we have our ArrayDeque. So it stores the element in a resizable array. And the main benefit of an ArrayDeque is that it is more efficient than linked list. Alright. Now let us look at the implementation of queue. So here in this case we will be using the ArrayDeque class. So I've created the object of ArrayDeque class on my line 8. And using the offer method, I will add the elements to the ArrayDeque. And whenever we use the offer method, so the elements will be added, from the back. So first element will be 10, then towards the back we will have the fourth, right? So in this case, the output will be 10, 4. So let me run the program and let us verify the output. Now let us compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see we have the output 10, 4. Next method that we'll be looking at is the push method. So push method will add the element to the front of the queue. So in this case, the first element will be 23, 14, 10 and 4. So let me run the program and let us verify the outputs. Now let us compile the program. Let me run it. And here you can see the output is 24, 14, 10 and 4. Alright. Next we have the peek method. So peek method will return the first element in the queue, and in this case it will be 23. So let me run the program and let us verify the output. So let me run the program, and here you can see we have the output 23 displayed. Next we have the poll method. So basically poll method will remove the first element from the queue. So in this case element 23 will be removed from the ArrayDeque. So let me run the program once again. Now let me execute the program. And as you can see, the element 23 is removed from the ArrayDeque. Next method that you need to know is your remove last method. And this will remove the element from the end of the ArrayDeque. Alright. So let me run this program and the element 4 will be removed from the ArrayDeque. Now let me compile and execute the program. And here you can see the element 4 is removed from the ArrayDeque. Alright. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.